Hello kids, welcome back to another video. In the last video we were discussing what are integers. So in this particular video we will be learning how do we add the integers. So let's start with that. So as we have already discussed what are integers, the set of positive as well as negative numbers. So let's pick up any two integers. So I can also pick -3. That's also an integer. Let's add another integer with it, and let's say that's a 2. Let me tell you, before starting with, there is a very good trick that we can use on the number line. So what's the meaning of addition, or when we add two numbers on the number line, what's the meaning of that? The meaning of adding the two numbers on the number line is that you're going to move towards the right side. When we are adding something, we always move towards the right side of the number line. So, when we are dealing with addition of integers, how we will be working out? Let's see that. So, what's my first integer? That's -3. So, you're going to first of all stand up at the -3. So, here is the -3. Okay, now I am adding how much in that? Adding 2 in that. It means I need to make two jumps towards the right side because I'm doing addition. So I will make the jump towards the right side. So make two jumps here. One, two. So where it reach? It reached to the -1. So if we add -3 and 2, it will be giving me -1. Let's take one more example. Okay, let's choose maybe 2 -2 and let's add 6 in that. So I will be starting from the -2, and as I know I'm adding 6 in that, so I will be making the 6 jumps towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what's the answer I got? I got the 4. So if I add -2 and 6, the answer will be 4.